Hello class 8. In previous class we are talking about the glimpses of the past topic, and here you see the martyrs and the company conquest, and also you can see here British rule. These three topics we have discussed, and what are these about we have learned, that is what here Britishers started ruling the India, and they started forcing the Indians to stop the what they are doing. Yes, they forced the Indians to pay some taxes, high amount of taxes they started putting on the Indians, and also they started importing the goods from the outer countries and started selling them in the India, and also they started some policies. Due to of those policies, these expert artisans and some business people, they started they are being ruined means what, they were abolished, and they were kept into, they have been gone to die because of starvation. Due to of high amounts they started collecting from the Indians. So now again there is a struggle from Ram Mohan Roy from 1772 to 1833. Ram Mohan Roy, a learned man from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. Let us not despise ourselves. Our ancient culture is great, and we are capable of greater achievements. We must first reform our society. Superstitions have been ruining us. So here what happened here, Ram Mohan is talking with the other Indian. What about, he is telling that we are illiterated, we have an ancient culture, we have to follow that, and we have greater achievements we have achieved, and we the first reform of our society is to superstitions have been ruining us. Yes, here superstitions are putting us in back form. So let us abolish those superstitions, and we have to go through the literation. Yes, here Ram Mohan is talking with his wife. He told his wife Uma, cows are of different colors, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinions, but the essence of every religion is same. Yes, Ram Mohan Roy is talking with her wife Uma, with his wife Uma. That is what he is telling, that maybe there are different cows, means there is the colors of the cows are different, but the milk, the production of the milk is in same color. And also he says that the teachers may be the teaching of the teachers may be different, but the essence what they are teaching about is the same. So in this way he talks with his wife Uma, and he was attracted by science and modern language. Knowledge should be practical and scientific. Yes, the Ram Mohan Roy says that he is attracted to science and modern knowledge, and he says that knowledge is must be in practical and also in the scientific way. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them, we accept you as rulers, and you must accept us as subjects. But you must remember the responsibility a ruler owes to his subjects. Yes. So here Ram Mohan Rai, he wanted to gain the knowledge in practical and scientific way. So he went to British, he went to England, and there he saw how British became powerful. So here this Ram Mohan Rai was came to know that here the Britishers are the rulers, and here the Indians are the subjects. So the rulers have to follow the subjects. Yes, in this way the Ram Mohan Roy, he explains his views to the Indians. Next you can see here oppression. What is the process they have done to Indians? But the British continued to oppress Indians. In 1818, they had passed Regulation 3. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. All the time, British officers in India drew big salaries and also made fortunes in private business. By 1829, Britain was exporting British goods worth 7 crore rupees to India. The British prospered on the company's loot while Indian industries began to die. Here, the Governor General Bentinck reported back home, the bones of cotton weavers are bleaching the plains of India. Yes, now what happens? See, this Britishers started putting the Indians in a jail without any with the action, that is Regulation Act 3, Regulation Act 3, that is what without any submission in court, they can keep the Indians in the jail. This is what the Britishers you have done their plans. And here the Governor General Bentinck, he had reported to England, that is what he says, that in India there are most of cotton weavers, those have a lot of business in the India, so we have to start doing those, this we have to import those cotton weaves. Okay, he says that we have to import those cotton clothes to the India. And also here the Britishers started taking off, looting means what, taking off without any permission. Yes, that is, they started from the Indian industries. Now the Indian industries have to die. Next, dissatisfaction in 1835 to 56. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. We should teach the native through the English language. I agree. So here, what happened here? The Britishers now went through an education. They started that they have planned that the languages teach to the Indians are in Sanskrit and Persian. So we have to teach them in English. We have to change the language and we have to teach in English, so that this will be the process. We can know what the Indians are planning to. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave petty jobs under them. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. We must educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. So here are some Indians. So Indian fighters who are there, they are talking about their education. One of the man, he says that we have to teach our brothers, and one of them tells to improve their materials. Means what are the books they are thinking that to improve the materials, resources, what they wanted for education. And the other, they are telling that we have to rule the British Parliament also, we can. Like that they have been started. By 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. Yes, now in 1856 the British absolutely they captured all the India. Yes, they care little about the needs of Indians. Our kings have become puppets and we have lost our old jobs. So some of the Indians, they are talking that our kings, of the rulers of India, the kings, they have become puppets. Puppets means who play under the Britishers. Those are called the puppets. And lands, they are converting our brothers. You only talk, do something to drive them out. So here they are discussing and they are thinking about how to drive the Britishers from India. Go through page number 42, 43 and 44. Read the given text in the textbook and follow the questions 45 page number. Please do questions 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3. Find out these 3 questions from the textbook. Thank you.